वेलकम डियर स्टूडेंट ऑन माय चैनल। आज हम अर्थवर्म के कैरेक्टरिस्टिक पढ़ेंगे। इसमें लाइव अर्थवर्म रहेगा। लाइव अर्थवर्म देखने के बाद हम उसके ईच एंड एवरी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स पढ़ेंगे। ओके, सो अर्थवर्म विच बिलोंग टू द फाइलम एनेलिडा, राइट? सो हियर व्हाट द अर्थवर्म आई हैव हियर, this is about the Indian earthworm. Okay, so its scientific name is there, the Lumbricus terrestris. Lumbricus terrestris. So the genus name, that is the Lumbricus, and the species name is there, that is about the terrestris. So this the common Indian earthworm it is. Okay, so whatever the compost I have, so this is in the what is in my garden, in the bucket I have made the compost from the earthworm. So in which we can find the many earthworms are there. Okay, so generally in the garden they can be traced by their fecal deposits, which are known as a casting. Okay, now here in this, what are the terrestrial earthworms are there? These terrestrial earthworms are there, which are the invertebrates. During daytime they live in the burrows. So here we can watch this earthworm clearly. How is the body is there? Body is a cylindrical structure which divide more than 100 segments. Dorsal surface is there of the body which shows a dark mid dorsal line. So here the clitellum also you can observe. So this dorsal surface which shows a dark mid dorsal line and which shows a dorsal blood vessel, while on the ventral side, it shows a presence of the genital openings. So that we'll see afterward. Anterior end we can watch here. The anterior end is there which shows the presence of the mouth. So at the, we can observe that here the whitish portion, the band is there, that is about the clitellum, and at the apex, that is the anterior portion is there. Here we can watch that it is showing what the mouth. So along with the mouth it shows the presence of the prostomium. It's for the covering the mouth and help to force open the crack in the soil. Prostomium is there, which is a sensory. So the first segment is there, which is called as a peristomium, which is a buccal segment. In mature earthworm, if you find that the 14 to 16 segment shows the presence of the clitellum. So regarding the clitellum, we'll see afterward. Now how this earthworm which enter inside this soil, what is the compost is there, with the help of its number of the segments. So number of the cities are there, which are the S-shaped cities are there, which take part in the locomotion. So how it goes inside that you can watch clearly. This body of the earthworm is there, which is divided into the three prominent regions. So regarding that regions also we'll discuss afterward. Whole body is there, which is moist, which shows the presence of the numerous minute pores. So you can observe that how it enter inside the soil. What are the peristomium is there, which is at the first segment. Peristomium covering the mouth, and that's why it help to force open the cracks in the soil. So now we'll try to remove once again. So many earthworms are there. So these are called as the friends of farmer, as it makes the soil porous, increase the fertility of the soil. So here we can watch. So we'll take out this earthworm now from the soil. We can watch it's a dorsal as well as a ventral side. On the ventral side we can observe that the genital openings are there. So this earthworm is there, which is a hermaphrodite. Both the sexes are present. So here segmented body we can watch here clearly. Here now we can watch here anterior end is there, which shows the presence of the mouth, and posterior end shows the presence of the anus. So here this genitalia you can observe clearly. So male and female genitalia are present. So this is the clitellum, where the whitish portion is present. I'll just make it again. Okay, so you can observe that here the anterior end with the mouth. So this whitish, what is the light band is there, that is the clitellum. Where the 14 to 16 segments are there. 14 to 16 segment that marks the position of the clitellum. Okay, now here it's a ventral side is there. We can observe that the white spots are there. This white spots at the region of the the previous, what are the 5 to 9 segments are there, where it shows the presence of the 4 pairs of the spermatical apertures are there. Now here number of the earthworms I have removed here. We can watch many earthworms here. So this all earthworms I will wash now, and after the washing you will get the more clear idea about this. So many earthworms in that. They are hermaphrodite. Just now I said both the sexes are present. Now here these all earthworms which are washed and they are taken in one plate. So whole body is moist. Each body segment except the first segment, then the clitellum, and the last segment, there are the row of the S-shaped setae are present. So here we can observe that the mating between the two earthworms. Role of the setae, that is in the locomotion. Alimentary canal is present that starts the alimentary canal. It is a straight tube which runs between the first to the last segment of the body. Just now we have observed that the terminal mouth portion is there, which opens into the buccal cavity. The next is the esophagus is present, 5 to 7 segments, which continues to the gizzard. So gizzard is present at the 8 to the 9 segments, where the grinding of the soil particles and the decaying of the leaves which is taking place. Stomach is present between the 9 to 14 segment. Stomach present between the 9 to 14 segments. Intestine is there, 15 segment onward the intestine. This earthworm, they shows the calciferous glands present in the stomach, which neutralizes the humic acid present in the humus. You can watch clearly this whole clean earthworm is there. So this what is the anterior end with the mouth, posterior end with the anus. So alimentary canal opens to the exterior by small rounded aperture called as the anus. So this is the anterior end. You can watch its ventral side is there. Okay. Or what is the segment? This is now the dorsal side. So how it shows the movement? It shows the locomotion with the help of this setae. Now the posterior end is there, where it shows the presence of the anus. Now how number of the earthworms I have taken. Blood circulation, if you will observe that, in that the closed type of the circulation system is there, which consists of the blood vessels, capillaries, heart, etc. You can watch here. So they lack the specialized breathing device, that is about the exchange of the gases through moist body. There is no lung. No eyes are present, but the light and the touch sensitive organs, receptor cells are present. These earthworms, they are the chemoreceptor which reacts with the chemical stimuli. They are the hermaphrodites, means they are the bisexual. Testes and the ovaries in the same individual, present the same earthworm. Mutual exchange of the sperm occurs between the two worms during the mating. They mate juxtaposing opposite gonadal openings, and they exchange the packets of the sperms. Mature sperms and the eggs cells are there. Mature sperms and the egg cells as well as the nutritive fluid are deposited in the cocoons produced by the gland cells of the clitellum. So clitellum which produces this, what are the cocoons. Now this fertilization as well as the development of the cocoons which is get deposited in the soil. So here we can watch that here what the cocoon is there inside that the baby earthworm is present. So these are the empty cocoons are there. Okay. Now after the 3 to 4 weeks, mostly after the 3 weeks, each cocoon provide the 2 to 3 baby worms. Development of the earthworm is direct. There is no larva stage. So here we can observe that the small baby earthworm is present. If I will touch here, it will show some movement. You can watch here now here. Yes, now this movement is there, we can watch. So this is about what the baby earthworm present inside that cocoon. After few days it will come out. So this is about the cocoon. Earthworms are there which are called as the friends of farmer, as they burrow the soil and make the soil porous, which helps the plants for the respiration of the roots, as well as it increases the fertility of the soil, that also we have discussed. So what we get the excreta of the earthworm, that is called as a vermicomposting, which is a more nutritious for the plant. It gives a more nourishment to the plant. Now these earthworms are there which are used as a bait in the game fishing. So what is a game fishing? Means a fish caught by the anglers for the sports. So this bait, that is the food which is used for the fish. So fish are attracted by this, what are the earthworm, which are the used for the game fishing. Okay. So this everything what we have learned in the live with the help of the what is the earthworm, all characteristics of the earthworm we have learned in this video. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends so that everyone can get the benefit of the same. So like that here number of the videos are there, live the videos are there, live shootings are there, as well as number of the practicals are there, as well as how to draw diagrams easily, everything it is there in the link which is given in the description box. Okay, thank you very much.